Okay, let's start. So we will start by seeing what is a variable, data types in Go, and ways to declare variables. Okay, so what is a variable? Anything that stores a value that we can use later on in our program, that is a variable. Okay, let's see this 26 line where a equal to hello. Now we call it as variable. Hello is its value. So if I print a, it will give us hello. Okay, that's a variable. Simple and sweet. Now, what are the types of variables? So there are basically four types of variables in Go: string, int, float, bool. I have examples of all four of them. So this is string. A is of type string. AB is of type bool. It can have true and false also. And AC is of type int. And int is 64 bits. So it's that. Other data type is float. So if we are using fraction values, I mean, let's say 5 divided by 2, this is 2.5, so we cannot store it in int, so we have to use float for that. Okay, so there are three ways to declare a variable. First one is to use where keyword, name of the variable, and value of the variable. This is first. So all these four variables are defined and assigned like that according to the first way. Now other way is to just use means without where, just simply assign the value. So in this line we are doing that. We are This is the name of the variable, simple, and this is the value of the variable. Okay, so this is the second time. I don't think there is any difference between the this line and this line. Okay, so you can use either of them. Okay, cool. Other way is to declare with type and assign later in the program. So let's say if you want to declare a variable and use and or assign them later on in the program. So you need to declare what data type the variable is of. Okay, because why we need that? Because Go is a type language. You need to declare data type at the declaration of the variable. It is different from Python or other languages where you don't need uh, to declare the data type. You can just simply use them. Okay, so yeah, that because Go is a type language like C++, C. Okay, right. Yeah, that is one thing. And like it's declared at 37 and it is assigned at 39 and we are using it at 41. Okay, yeah, that's one thing. Now if you want to know what is the type of variable, you can use reflect library. We are importing it here in the import, and type of is a function of in that library, and you can just pass the variable name and it will return the type of that variable. Okay, and I'm just printing it. So yeah, that's one thing. Let's run this program to see better. So the first five lines are giving me this: string, bool, int, float, string. This one is giving me this. Okay, these are the values of all the previously defined variables. Okay, now one interesting thing is that if you don't use a, let's say I mean if you don't use any variable, for example, I'm declaring b. Okay, I'm assigning b, but I'm not using it b, then it will give me error in Go. Okay, so this is a key difference, right? You have to use them. If you declare them, you have to use them. Cool. Other thing is you cannot use or you cannot have an operation of unlike data types. What do I mean by that? You cannot add int with uint. Okay, this will also give you error. So if I, okay, if I, let's say if I uncomment this, it will give me error because b is of, you can see the message, right? Invalid operation, b plus ba mismatch types int and uint. Okay, so you cannot do that also. So this is strictly typed, and all the operation are can be done with liked data types only. Int with int, uint with uint, uint 64 with uint 64. You cannot use uint 32 with 64. That will also give you error. This is it for this video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have some doubts, please comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Thank you.